Science often walks a razor-thin line between pure genius and absolute madness. Welcome to the lab of history's most bizarre experiments. Meet the minds who dared to go too far, where the search for truth led to the truly strange. In the 1950s, Colonel John Paul Stapp became the fastest man on Earth. He rode rocket sleds to test the limits of human G-force survival. The sled screeched to a violent halt in seconds. Stapp survived, but his eyes were filled with burst capillaries from the sheer force. Then there was the 1962 experiment where scientists gave an elephant a massive dose of LSD. They wanted to see if it would trigger must. The result? The elephant wobbled, collapsed, and the experiment became a legendary cautionary tale of scientific oversight. At Los Alamos, the Demon Core was a sphere of plutonium held apart by nothing but a simple flathead screwdriver. One slip of the wrist caused a lethal flash of blue light. The scientists knew instantly they had received a fatal dose of radiation. In Russia, the Kola super deep bore hole reached over 7 miles down. Some joked they had accidentally drilled a hole straight to hell. Workers claimed to hear the screams of the damned from the depths, though it was likely just the groaning of the Earth's crust in the 18th century. Luigi Galvani discovered bioelectricity by using electrodes to make the legs of dead frogs twitch. Rhythmically, this sparked the public's imagination, leading many to believe that electricity could eventually reanimate the dead. Cold War science got even weirder when Soviet researchers revealed a dog with 2 heads, both capable of independent movement. While one head would drink milk, the other would watch the room. It was a macabre triumph of early transplantation surgery. Project McUltra saw the CIA dosing. Unsuspecting people with LSD turning regular social gatherings into involuntary psychedelic trips. Even the physics world has its quirks, like the time scientists used massive magnets to make a living frog levitate in midair. Less whimsical were the experiments on prisoners, where skin was used as a testing ground for various chemicals and irritants, and the Milgram experiment proved how easily we obey authority. Even when asked to deliver painful electric shocks to others, the scientists behind them would simply say, "The experiment requires you to continue," and most people did. From the brave to the bizarre, these experiments changed our world. History is written in the labs of the bold and the reckless. Next time you see a danger sign, remember someone probably ignored it for science. Class dismissed.